Hey, welcome to you in this video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the express checkout buttons from the first checkout page from your Shopify online store. So this tutorial will be very helpful if you are very beginner with Shopify and wanted to remove the express checkout button from first checkout page. So let's get started. Here is my website and I am in the cart page right now, and I see that there is two buttons under the checkout button. One is pay with Google and PayPal. So we are going to remove these two buttons from this cart page. First of all, we need to log in our admin panel, Shopify admin panel. Then click on the themes. Then select code editor under the actions button. Then we need to open the section folder and open a file from section folder name cart template.liquid, this one. So after open this cart template liquid, we need to find a line, this line, cart.general checkout. So just copy this line and find from this file, going to search, paste here and to look at here. So now I'm going to make some space under this line. Then we need to copy some code and paste here. So I'm going to copy this code and paste it right here under the cart.general.checkout line. Okay, so now going to click on the save. Okay, so we have done the first step. Now we have to do the second step. So in the second step, we need to open asset folder, then open theme.css liquid file, then go to the bottom of this page, then add some CSS code right here. Here the CSS code, make a comment here. Okay, so now going to click on the save icon. Asset save. Now going to check my website and reload this page again. Wow, we have done. So now we have removed this icon from the first checkout page. I hope you enjoy this tutorials. If you like this tutorial and solve your problem, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more relevant video. Thank you for your time.